Alright, so this video is for people who have been having problems with the light, pre-collision light on the Toyota Camry dashboard, like on this dash here. Yeah, so basically one day I just had my car in the garage, and then 3 days later I went back in it, and it wasn't working. Like, it wasn't seeing other cars and stuff, like it wasn't keeping me away from other cars. And my car, it actually stops you all the way, like when cars in front of you stop. So it's really good to have. So basically I tried a lot of different things, checked all the fuses and everything, and it wasn't anything like that. It was actually the whole pre-collision sensor. I just ordered a calibrated one already from eBay, and then I went on a drive, and it's good. So right now what I'm doing, I put my old one back on just to make sure that that it wasn't just a faulty wire or something like that. Oh, yep, there it is. It messed up. So yep, it's just a sensor, as you guys can see. It's tripping out on me. So yeah, I'm gonna go put the new one I got, and then I'll show you guys that it works with that one. And I'll show you guys how to take this one off and how to put the new one on. Just gotta pop these off. Clips. And then got 3 screws. 1, 2, and then this little one. That one. 1, 2, 3. These screws right here on the side. They're a size 10. Just grab them like this. So this is the sensor here, and then these are screws, size 10. See, size 10. Fits on there. This one's super small. Those on these little tabs here. The other one. Okay. 1 tab, 2 tabs. So I just replaced the pre-collision sensor, and I'm going for a driver now to test it out and see if it works. So as you guys can see, it says radar ready. I'm gonna wait for this car here. Truck. Go right behind it. And let's see if my car sees it or not. So I'm accelerating. Okay. Push the thing. And as you can see, it says that it can see the car, the truck. Let me try accelerating to 55. And let's see if it'll stop us with no feet. No foot on the brake pedal. Let's see. Yep, it's fixed, guys. It's fixed. It was worth 150 bucks for sure. Hell yeah. That just happened because he turned. But it's working, guys.